Good day everyone. I'm Jason Eric de la Cruz. I will show you the 3 uncommonly Filipino use words, but I will show you first 10 uncommonly Filipino use words. Here is the 3 uncommonly used words. Number 1. Labaha or razor. A keen-edged cutting instrument for a shaving or cutting hair. Example, ginamit ko ang laba sa CR upang ipang-ahit sa aking balbas. Number 2. Duyog o eclipse. An occasion when the sun looks like it is completely or partially. Example, marami ang namangha sa duyog. Sulatroniko o email. A system for sending message from one computer to another computer. Example, ako'y nagpadala sa sulatroniko ng aking mensahe sa aking guro.